It's a wonderful day, and today we are shooting the program Cuisines, where at the H Club. We're moving up to their kitchen to see what they are preparing for their menu today. I have a hint that we're having Kati Kati for lunch today, but why not? Let's go and find out how Kati Kati is being made, the importance of the recipe, how we can savour it, and the importance of it to our system. Follow me, we are going to the kitchen of the H Club. Warm water into the fufu corn. Why warm water?
Because cold water, if you put cold water, the fufu will not be taste. The warm water is just for maintain the taste for the fufu. And if you cook it with cold water, it will not last. Highest 1 hour, the fufu will start for turn off.
Okay.
When you make it with warm water like this, you can stay till 10 o'clock. There will not be no problem.
Wow. And so how long does it take for this to get ready?
That's 1 hour, 30 minutes.
So you put the fufu on the fire and it stays for about 1 hour 30 minutes?
No, if I put the water, you know, now it's modern war. They don't put the water and reduce it anymore.
Okay.
You just put the quantity that you may need for the kinde.
Okay.
After the water is hot, you wash your kinde, you turn it. Let the kinde to be cooked at least 30 to 45 minutes. After the kinde now, you shake out the fufu, put the fufu. You add the first warm water to make the fufu light a bit. After that, you have mixed the first water very well. You put the second one. After the second water, you slow the fire like this. Okay. After that, you cover the pot to let the fufu to be cook himself. Let's say for 10 to 15 minutes at least.
So generally, this delicacy you said is common with the people of the Banyonga, but I've also heard that in the northwest region, people like the people from Babanki also.
Babanki, yeah, they eat fufu corn, Kati Kati, but Bali people mostly know about Kati Kati.
Okay, so part of eating this with the vegetable that we are supposed to discover in a few minutes ahead, can you eat this fufu corn with something else?
Yeah, with okra. Some people eat it with okra. Some people eat it with tomato, called Kati Kati, tomato and bambara fish. They call it Kati Kati. It depends. You can eat it with curry.
Okay.
On fait un peu de juste parce qu'il ne faut pas chauffer encore et encore pour éliminer sa massisse. On fait un peu, ça finit, on le fait encore. Parce que ça passe encore.
Oh, okay, I understand. So tell us, what does this comprise of? I can see some particles of onion, tomato. How do you do this?
Onions, sweet pepper, nothing.
There's no tomatoes in it?
No, you don't need tomatoes.
Okay.
When they say companyman, you don't need tomatoes.
Okay, so how do you do this? How does somebody come out with this?
But first, you arrange your vegetable, wash it, boil it. After boiling it, you rest it. After then, you put the pot in the pan and slice a bit of onions aside. Put the oil inside the pot. Put the onions with some pepper. After that, you place your vegetable, mix it with some maggi, or pepper or maggi and salt. Turn it inside the oil, you can at least make it with less oil because Kati contains oil.
Okay.
So you can use the Kati oil to make it nice.
Alright, I know that we are going to discover the chicken that has been roasted shortly, but I also want to find out if this meal is served maybe with some slices of meat, not chicken.
Yeah.
Does it still make the food Kati Kati?
The one we call Kati Kati is chicken, or the burning chicken. If you eat this with fish or meat, is with vegetable and fish, vegetable. It's not Kati Kati. The Kati Kati is the one chicken.
So that's what makes the meal particular, the roasted chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, we are really looking forward to discovering that chicken that makes the Kati Kati in a while. But as we are still in the kitchen of H Club, and we are discovering how Kati Kati is being made, as you have already seen the vegetables on the fire. But that notwithstanding, on the other side, one of our mama is there still basically preparing a roll. We are hoping that we can have a little bit of zoom into her pot and find out from her too exactly what she's cooking. Thank you, Mom. We see something boiling here, very nice, with a lot of pepper. So what are you actually doing?
This water leaf, dry fish, tender, cow meat. Then one of cow fish, and stockfish.
Okay.
Yes. It's very like this. You get right. Because we are preparing veggies, not the ale. Yes. The water of this flowing.
Wow, this looks yummy. Wow. So tell us, how is this being done?
Yeah, in the Kati Kati, they make it with quantified.
Okay. A specific kind of chicken.
Yeah, quantified. You don't use any quantified to use starter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when you burn it quantified, after killing your chicken, you burn it without moving the primo.
The feathers.
The feathers.
Okay.
You burn it with the feathers. After that, cut it. Here is the chicken. So you cut it in four cutters. You burn it again. After burning with the feathers, you wash it. After you burn it from the inside to the bone.
Please, before you go further, let me understand something. Why must you burn it with the feathers?
Because when you burn it with the feathers, I don't know. But let's say that's the way I've been saying that should be made. So I have decided.
That's the tradition and culture.
They cut it in four cutters. The food chicken is we cut it in this block in four cutters.
Okay, so one cutter.
Yeah, when you cut it you have to burn the inside. You spice it a little bit with some salt and maggi. You burn it so that the taste will be more higher.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, you put the oil in the pot.
What kind of oil?
Red oil.
Okay,
Red oil.
palm oil.
Yeah, palm oil. Get it to warm a bit. Not yet. After the oil is warm, you put the chicken. After that, you put pepper. Put pepper in.
Yes. You grind it all.
You
Put it full.
put it full.
Okay.
But some people don't make much pepper. That way you put it full. After you put it down, you put water. Water will be at the level of the chicken.
Okay, to cook it, let it cook well.
Yeah. After you prepare, you put it down. Here in this one, we add some spices that I cannot really do ourselves. That's the secret.
Special recipe for H Club.
Yeah.
Alright, only when you come and serve will you be able to understand what they are talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
This Kati Kati. After they cover it, they think it will take 1 hour to be done.
Okay.
If the fire is harsh now, 1 hour.
Alright, so you put the chicken on the fire for up to an hour.
Yeah. Because the water must be at the level of the chicken.
Okay.
When you allow the water to get dry very well.
Ok, entre regarder notre couscous, je crois que...
Si on peut regarder le couscous, mais c'est pas encore prêt. C'est carré,
D'accord, donc ça va rester sur le feu encore pendant longtemps, pendant combien de minutes?
5 à 10 minutes maximum. C'est carré.
Alright. While we are getting ready to serve our Kati Kati, we just to remind you that we are still here at the kitchen of H Club where a lot is going on. On the other side, we have our Aero cooking. We still have some other spices being made. Okay, they're preparing that for Ndole. Yeah. So it's a very busy day in the kitchen. Yeah, we have our vegetable, I guess, some garlics and onion pepper, and the Aero is almost being ready. So we'll just wait. We can't wait. We can't wait to taste this your wonderful delicacy. All this we are bringing to you. This is Travel TV. We are entering the kitchen. From one kitchen to another. Today it might be the kitchen of H Club. Tomorrow it might be the kitchen of your home. It's on our program Cuisines, and this is how we do it. Everything is live, it's fresh. I see the Aero very green, ma'am.
It's not follow.
Okay. All right. I think we should look for our seats back there in the restaurant, and we cannot wait, Masan, for you to serve us that beautiful Kati Kati. I am the man behind the camera. We are. I cannot wait to serve us. So we'll just take a. We'll just be in the restaurant seats. I will wait for you to put everything together so that I can have. I cannot leave this place without eating. All right. Remember that we're back there in the kitchen and we are prepared, Kati Kati. Even though we had other meals by the side like fufu and ero, we had dole cooking inside and maybe some stuff too. But we are waiting and the waitress will be here any minute with my Kati Kati. Oh.
Grind all the bones. The spoon you will be making your garlic.
Okay.
So do you need anything like butter or
Yes, no, I need water.
pour one?
No, just water. Alright, you just heard it is better off eating such a delicacy when you wash your hands. That is better, so you grind all the bones of the chicken. Remember there, they cook, Mas and Dream told us that what makes this delicacy, it's the chicken, the roasted chicken. This is really looking green. We see green leaves, vegetables, and the chicken. This is 1/4 of the chicken. We said, yeah, with palm oil and fufu corn. We actually saw the way it was being prepared. So this is the final. This is the final product with the pepper. It's all yummy. So let me have a taste. It's really good. So we thank you all very much for being with us on. This edition of Cuisine. We at H Club, they hosted us, they gave us access to their kitchen. So we thank you very much and we are hoping that we'll bring you more delicious meals on our programs. You know that to follow us, you should log into www.tvtravelchannel.com and also follow us on our social media pages. We are on YouTube, we are on Facebook. And please, when you log on and watch our programs, please do subscribe for the YouTube channel, do like our Facebook pages and all our programs that we put up, please do share. And we are promising you it will be a deal with you and me and the entire Travel TV team that we are going to bring you more and more of such delicacies, African delicacies, and why not delicacies from across Africa and the world over. We'll be taking you to other restaurants, we'll be taking you to people's homes, we'll be taking you to so many places where we can have good food. But today was Kati Kati, tomorrow, I don't know what next. Just stay tuned to www.tvtravelchannel.com and we'll be yours. Thank you very much. Bye.